Hi everyone, welcome to Murphy's Law Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to shut off the automatic updates on your Mustang so you don't lose that fancy new tune you just uploaded on your car. Now you might ask yourself, why would I need to do this? Well, I've long suspected since the beginning that this new over-the-air Ford Connect system that the Mustang and the new F-150s have is very capable of pushing big updates to the car, including full-on PCM strategy changes. And well, that seems to have been proven here because guys who have tuned their cars using HP tuners have found that whenever the car takes an automatic update, guess what? It's able to actually wipe out the tune that is on their car. So I need to show you how to fix that. And it's not just for the guys who went to, let's say, Schumacher or Palm Beach Dyno or any of those, the normal people to get a tune. It's also if you have a Whipple crusher intake. Not if you have a Roush blower, not if you have a Whipple blower, the Whipple crusher intake, because that also uses HP tuners. So let me show you on my car how to turn it off. Welcome to Noisy, my 800-ish wheel horsepower supercharged S650. She's slow, don't worry. But anyways, I have a Whipple, so I'm not worried about this. Let me back out of here. I'm all the way on this screen. You might be in your whatever, your CarPlay, whatever. You need to get out of that, and you need to go over here to settings. We're gonna go into settings, and there are many different things in here you can get to, but what we're concerned about is software updates. I'm gonna hit software updates, and this toggle right here, I'm gonna hit the button. It tells you how it actually allows the car to automatically update itself to make sure you have the latest, greatest software. But we don't want that if you're tuned for HPT, because you'll lose your tune. So I'm gonna hit this toggle right here, and it's gonna say, hey, are you sure you wanna do this? This is great. Well, forget you, Ford. We wanna do race car things. I'm gonna hit continue, and it's off. The next thing I'm gonna tell you to do is to make sure that the reoccurring schedule is set to none as well. And if both of those things are turned off, guess what? You don't have to worry about an update coming in and taking you out. Now, it's one thing if you're an NA car and all you've got is exhaust and maybe you did E85 and all of that. So, okay, the car will feel slower. It might act a little goofy on the E85, but it won't hurt itself. If you've gone turbo like some of these other guys have, or even custom versions of a Whipple tune, or using HPT, you have to be very careful because you could effectively hurt the car. So it's very important for you to shut these updates off. Well, short and sweet. I'm glad that y'all came and watched the video. Thank y'all, and y'all have a good day. Bye.